He spent 27 years in prison. Most people would break. But he came out and became president. This is the story of Nelson Mandela, a man who turned pain into power and changed a nation forever. In 1962, Mandela was arrested for fighting against apartheid, a brutal system of racial segregation in South Africa. He was sent to Robben Island, a prison meant to break the strongest men. For 27 years, he lived in a small cell. Hard labor, isolation, silence. But Mandela didn't give up. Instead of hatred, he chose discipline. Instead of revenge, he chose vision. In 1990, the world watched as Nelson Mandela finally walked free. Not with anger, but with a message of peace. Just 4 years later, the prisoner became president of South Africa. A moment that changed history. He could have chosen revenge, but he chose unity. He forgave those who imprisoned him and inspired the world. From prisoner to president, the question is, what would you have done?